Beautiful start to our day. You can see the glorious sunrise we're looking at. As you look east, right over Tampa Bay, it's 67 degrees from the USF Marine Science camera. And look at that, not a cloud in the sky from that vantage point. Now, we do have some fog, and the visibility's not only reduced this morning, but for the next few mornings. We're in a pattern where it's going to be like fog in the morning, burns off, partly cloudy skies, highs in the 80s. And then we're going to rinse and repeat and do that all over again for the next 5 to 7 days. So quarter-mile visibility in Brooksville, about a mile or so in Wesley Chapel, 2¼ miles in Venice, 1.5 miles in Northport. So a little bit of fog here and there. It doesn't seem to be all that significant. Just be careful. Mid-50s, Brooksville to Lakeland, lower 50s for the Wauchula area. Notice back along the coast, everybody's sitting in the 60s here this Monday morning. The winds are light. When you get light winds like that and the humidity has come up a little bit, that's when you're going to start to get that fog. But again, it's not a big deal. Our dew points range from the 50s into the 60s, and I think in general, we're going to have our humidity levels in the moderate category all week long. It's going to be very steady. Every single day is going to kind of feel the same. So mixture of clouds and sunshine, moderate humidity today. There is a frontal system. See it here? It's going to push its way into Central Florida and just phase out. Not going to do anything to us. I just wanted to show you what's on the map. And then high pressure just kind of reinforces and builds back in and sits around for the next week. This is what November typically is like for us, with just not much going on. So clouds and sunshine after the fog burns off. Another round of fog tomorrow morning, then a mixture of clouds and sunshine. Listen, all in all, and I know we do need rain, and we can sit here and complain about the lack of rain, but for the next 5 to 7 days, it's really going to be nice. So clouds, sunshine, high of about 83 degrees for you today. Mostly clear, some patchy fog again tonight. Low in the mid-60s. That burns off quick for Tuesday, and then we bring it up into the mid-80s for tomorrow afternoon. Northwest winds at 5 knots for boaters. Seas running a foot or less. Smooth conditions if you are boating. And what's amazing to me is the water temperature in the mid-60s right now. Highs will be in the low to mid-80s for the next week with a mixture of clouds and sun, okay?